Hi everyone, this is Alex Reed, and today I'm going to show you how to control a LED strip with the Arduino without any other components. So all you will need is the LED strip, the power supply, the Arduino, and the usual control that comes with any LED strip. So there is two kind of controller, one with 44 keys and the other one with 24. I wrote the code for both of them, so you will just have to download, but we'll see this later. So first, let's start. So what we want is basically to send IR codes without any IR sender. So we'll just remove the old receiver, and basically there is three wires. So you have the 5 volt, the ground, and the IR data. So we only need the ground and the data wire. Like this. So for the IR captor, we have 3 wires. What we want is to take the Arduino and send the same code that the remote will usually send. So here. So now we have three wires, but we don't know which one is the ground, which one is the 5 volt. The only thing I know for what I did before is that one of the extremity will be the data wire. So we'll just take our meter and try to find the 5 volt. So what we are looking for is just for 5 volt, so we can just remove the wire to not use it. You could try to power the Arduino with the 5 volt here, but I do not recommend this because in the controller, it's just a Zener that I'm not sure about the load it can handle. So here, so the wire in the middle is the ground, and this one on the right is the 5 volt. As I said, we just don't need the 5 volt, so we can remove that one. Great, so now we know that this one is a ground and the other one is the data wire. So let's take our Arduino. What is great is that you can control as much LED strip that you want independently, and that doesn't use the processing time. So you can control 10, 15, well, it doesn't. The only thing you have to check if the number of pin that you have, and that's it. So let's just plug this. So we want to connect ground with the LED controller ground. And on my side I choose to use the pin 13, but you can use anything you want here. Great. So let's just plug the LED strip. And here we are. So I just loop over red and blue with a small delay, but you can send anything that you have on the remote can be used in the code. So let's take a look about what the code looks like. So what I did is I wrote a small lib that will handle everything that you need. So you don't have to write the controller itself. So you just have to check the links below and go to my GitLab account. So there's a repository LED strip controller that you basically just need to download. So you can just take it as a zip file. Let's take a look. Then copy it. So if you go in your Arduino sketch editor, so in here you can find your location for your sketchbook. So on my side it's C work Arduino, so let's just go there, here, and then there is a folder libraries that you can add anything you need. So you just have to export the lib control here. Let's just do this. I will delete this one. Create. Export everything. Just rename to remove master here. Don't forget to delete the zip file. And that's it. So you just have to reboot here, just your Arduino editor. Okay, and I add an example. So you can just open files, example, find the LED strip controller lib here, and you have an example with multiple channels. So let's just take it. So on this example, I just have two LED strip on different pin that I can control like I want. So for the example, let's just remove the second one. So here you have to include the lib, and this will depend if you have a 44 keys controller or a 24 one, but you can just change the include, and the values, the constant are the same in the controller. So here on our side, previously we put the wire on the pin 13. So let's just update this one. So if we check this code, we'll just start the controller here. Then we'll light up. So we turn on the LED strip, and then we can play with the different commands. So RRG means that you want a green, this one means you want red. So we can just add delay, let's say 500 milliseconds between each change, like this. And that's it. You can control the LED strip with this. So you just have to upload the code, and that's it. So if you want, you can check the different things that are support for the commands. Here, let's take a look at this one. So you can turn it on, off, the different colors. There are some functions, some things that you can record, so you can fade and everything. So all the codes supported by the remote are there.